Welcome to HR Resonance. I am Ram Navratna from HR Resonance, HR consultant and trainer. Friends, today in this post-corona or lockdown period, we are all experiencing new environment, trying to sense new challenges, new problems which you are all experiencing. Under these circumstances, some new flash, particularly to the industry and employment field. News flash is slowdown and job losses, particularly the consumer durables, automobile, auto components, white goods, capital goods and IT sector. Also, startups and MSME sectors are among the worst hit and affected. The IT sector, which employs around 4 million engineers, is likely to witness around 5% job losses, says director of one of the leading IT and venture finance sector industry. So this is all alarming and provide us a lot of thought. Further, what happens? We are already witnessing and seeing in various medias, already many of the companies, establishments, they have started downsizing and right sizing of their employees. Employment opportunities are diminishing and whole world we are seeing employment loss we are finding. So industry has become down, which is really a matter of concern. Just to know some of the hit industries, transport and travel, which includes road, rail and air also, leisure and hospitality industries, health services, sports, showrooms, these are all very badly affected. Also to know some of the moderate risk industries like retail and food, manufacturing, finance lending, to name few more also. In all these sectors, we see the job losses, job reduction, and also the cessation of employment, which has become matter of concern and matter of thinking. Out of these, we can see what are all some of the emerging facts, which we must be aware, and accordingly, persons affected can think of their further future. One of the very important thing you will all see and everywhere you will agree, digitalize the key and the king. Everywhere digitalization is there, whether it is government application, employment application, whether it is a ration card, whether it is a Aadhaar card, whether it is any government facility, everywhere digitalization is there. And online collaboration, everything is online collaboration. Today, most of the business and trade is happening online collaboration, in-person relationship have come. Under all these circumstances now, many of you might have felt the sense, or you might have sensed, you might have already received some notices or information based on your conditions of the industry. Is your job is at risk? Then what are all career predictions? We are already seeing job losses, whether there will be any job loss. Then supply is down, demand is down in all the field because of the situation. And demand and new era in all this industry, because of this it is all growing. Work from home, which is a new trend. Digital industries also are all coming up with artificial intelligence, cloud compounding, Internet of Things, augmented reality, virtual reality, among so many things. So moderately, some of the safe industries which you can see and hear is health and security, maybe the law firms, all digital companies, of course they have a future. Aviation related manufacturing industries, they say they are doing good, it is all required. Agriculture related equipments, because henceforth government is going to promote more and more of agriculture because that will be the need and evergreen. Essential industries services and work during lockdown period, what are all the industries they were, I am sure definitely they will all continue, they will have little better future. Of course, with all these things one need not worry. But we must face the situation. We must be ready to accept the challenges. In all such cases, having sensed or felt or predicted, one should be prepared. So what are all the preparations in the career, in the job, in our skills, abilities? One has to think and accordingly prepare. So for that, prepare for the worst. Be ready. Don't get disappointed. Even if it is there, consider it as an opportunity. Proceed further. Become extra valuable for your company and work harder and reputable so that they can retain you. They will see the value of yours and your retention may be the better, or rather you may become essential person or employee for the company. Start savings and be thrift. It is the need of the hour. You might have heard, or at least I have come across many persons, because they have a dearth of the money. They spent extravagantly, and during such time it became very difficult for them. So therefore, saving habit one should develop and be thrift in that. It is a high time to create emergency fund that will only pave the way for future in case of any such crisis. And if this is the situation, consider switching career of your skills if you feel there is a risk, if you feel there is no future, if you feel there is a problem. Consider switching your career of your skills depending on your skills. For that, prepare for the downfall, get through the bad times. So in this connection, each one have got their own thinking, support, ideas, their action plan may be also there. But some of the tips what I feel and come across is, learn new skills, online courses. In fact, today it is need of the hour. Innumerable companies. To provide one example, recently TCS, they provided free courses on various technical aspects for engineers, diploma holders, and for all others. They were mostly of technical nature, employable, and for the existing persons it was skill reviving and acquiring the skill which was a need of the hour. Such courses one can think of. Many of the companies they are all doing. What are all likely future prospects? You also make research, make innovative approach, and find out what are all the new future prospects will be there through your contacts, through webinars or browsing, through your environment, through your institutes, through your contacts. Explore what are all the new future prospects will be there. Try to go for that. Do you have other skills you can put into use? You might have certain extra skills, or you may be having with multi skills. Can you use all those things? Think of, revive them, sharpen them. And some of the people I have seen already, careers are at doldrums, particularly sales people, okay, marketing people. So we can name so many. What do you do in all such cases? Don't worry, find out the ways and means. Don't get frustrated. Revive your skills and develop digital skill sets which are all needed as per the requirement and as per the need of the industry. Recently one employer came to me, sir, I wanted people who have got experience on online business of making in the batteries and generators. In fact, I searched but I was unable to get anybody. So online business making, how that will be there? This is, I think, a new skill one has to develop, think of, and get equipped in that. And work from home opportunities. Nowadays, considering this situation, you are all aware, most of the IT, ITE, BT companies, they deployed all their people at home and requested them to work from home. I was told by 2022, 75% of all such industries, they are going to deploy at work from home. On any day, only 25% of their workforce will be available at the site, which is a drastic cost reduction and drastic saving. So therefore, work from home may be the new future trends. So one has to equip for them and enhance their skill, abilities, what are all the new things that they are doing. So one must prepare and get ready. Online training programs on different skill sets. What are all the skills needed? What do you need? Think over, explore, make it innovative and creative in that. Find out and go in that. I think that will all should help during crisis time for your future career. Some of the switch careers, what it came to my mind is, focus on the company you work, not the job. So what are all the companies you are working? You are similar companies. same type of companies, related industries. So here your chances may be more. Don't worry about the job title, get into it. Titles today not a matter. What are all your jobs? How much you are going to satisfy? What are all your survival? What is your career prospects? That is what very, very important. Make use of your established network, develop them, enlarge them, talk to them, show your capabilities, and display for your ready switch. Don't stick on to only particular type of job or skill or anything. So broaden your views and ready for any switch that will also help you and come to your rescue. Enroll with recruiters, employers bodies, manpower supply companies, of course that will go without saying, plus what are all other avenues are available in the modern days. All that you explore thoroughly, each and everything. Think opportunities at your hometowns, rural areas. Horticulture is one of the aspect it is all going. One need not stick on to the city today, everybody is experienced. Why not in our place, in the second, third layer of the cities? Initial stage it may be difficult, but it will all help in the future so that your stability will be there. Think of what are all the opportunities available there, or you can think of on your own also. Then check opportunities at your similar industries across. What are all the things available? Because each may need different kind of skills, same type of skill sets they may need, same type of industry experience they need. Friends, with all such and other varied whatever things are available, with a widened mind and broader aspects, think over and be ready. Definitely word is wide. Maybe whatever this problem will be there, this is only temporary phase. It will take some time to regain and establish, but definitely you will have a few good future and prospects will be there. But only thing, you must always enhance, enlarge, sharpen your skills and get ready to switch and adopt and adapt. That will be only the way, and then your way becomes very, very smooth. I am sure with all these things and plus whatever the knowledge, skill, expertise, know-how you have got, I am sure definitely you are going to be successful with all these things. I wish you all the best. Good day, friends.